Lately you don't feel like yourself, and you kinda hate it. You suppress all of the thoughts in your head and say it's complicated. You hide your pain, but I can see it etched on your face. I know the feeling, swear you're okay, but you're barely breathing. Don't you walk away. Cause I feel you getting lost, I feel you trailing off. Feel it in your words when you say there's nothing wrong. There's something so subliminal about the way that your hands shake whenever you talk. You stare into space like you're lost in your thoughts. So
Orange chicken is so good, you're gonna have to try this one. And coming in at a low 375 calories and 40 grams of protein, I can eat this one every day. I love orange chicken and I love takeout. I need these things to work in my diet. And the best part is, like, we live in a time where you can get sugar replacements, so we can make sauces like this low calorie. And then add in cornflakes and an air fryer and we're talking really low calorie. This is how I've been losing weight. I'm down to 210 pounds and it's all from just eating like this and just making these little changes. If you love takeout as much as I do, you gotta try this one. I know you're gonna love it. Crispy Cajun hot honey skewers are so good, you're gonna have to try this one. Coming in at 41 grams of protein and 560 calories, this is a sandwich I could definitely eat every week, but if you're not down with the bread, this chicken is perfect for meal prep. The recipe is basically a Cajun seasoning, olive oil, and a spicy relish, but I'll put the full breakdown in the description so you can make this at home. Give this one a try and I'll see you on the next one. Crispy Cajun hot honey skewers are so good. Crispy honey butter chicken is so good, you're gonna have to try this one. I've lost over 10 pounds eating sandwiches like this by changing things like light butter and using a brown sugar replacement. For the crunch, I added cornflakes, which ended up working out perfect. At the end of the day, I just want to eat the things I like and lose weight at the same time. Make sure to drop a follow, and you can find the full breakdown in the description. Crispy honey butter chicken is so good, you're gonna have to try this one. I've lost over 10 pounds eating